Good morning, my name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we're working on Miss Dorothy and I'm going to show you guys how to swap out your steering stabilizer that's right underneath there. So without further ado, let's roll that intro and dive in. Alright, first step is you're going to want to jack your Jeep up. So we've got our jack on stands plus a jack over there on the passenger side. I like to do that just for a little extra precaution because there are stories of those stands failing. Turn on the flash, that's fine. Alright, so you guys can see right here I got my finger on this little silver piece. That will help hold the nut on the other side of this bolt here while you're trying to loosen that. So best option is to hold that there. Be careful though, it could pinch your fingers, so there may be a better way. There probably is, but this is just how I did it. And I was able to loosen this, and now it's loose enough where I can just use my fingers while holding that silver tab on the back. Get it all the way off like that. That is genius. I love that idea. Whoever thought of that, props, bro. Alright, to replace the to replace the steering stabilizer, you're gonna need an 18mm socket, and thankfully on the back side, like I showed you guys earlier, there's this nut back here and it has this little metal piece that you can hold and get that in. And then right here is another 18mm bolt. Go ahead and get that tightened. And the top is one of those square bolts that just goes down in there and will hold tight, so you can just screw that guy in. And then you just got to pull your strut out, the shock piece out, stabilizer out, line it up like that, and tighten this bolt down. And I'll be doing that here soon, and that'll put in. So there you go. That's a pretty quick and easy replacement. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the rest of everything else. If you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Check the description if you're looking for your tie rod ends or how to replace your drag link. That's what I'm finishing up on the next two videos. Let's go, baby. God bless y'all.